Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step guide to completing an online mortgage rate switch. If the fixed rate on your TSB mortgage is coming to an end, or you have a variable or tracker product with us, and you're looking to renew your rate onto a new deal, it's good to know that you can complete your switch application online in as little as 10 minutes by following this video. There's no need to register, create an account, or remember any usernames or passwords. There's also no need for an affordability check or to submit any income verification. Just follow the simple steps in this video. Ready? Let's go. To get started, you'll need to head to tsb.co.uk. Then, navigate to Mortgages and to Existing Customers. Scroll down until you see the Switch to a New Deal Online section. Then, click the Switch Your Mortgage Online button to start your switch. You'll be greeted with the Welcome page, which sets out the eligibility criteria for switching your rate online. Please take the time to read this information, and when you're happy to proceed, please choose from the residential or buy-to-let options below. Next, you'll see the login screen, which only requires a few personal details from your TSB mortgage: your first name and surname, your mortgage account number, which is 14 digits beginning either with 20, 30, 40, 50, 77 or 87. You can find this in any letter from us, in your online banking or your mortgage direct debit reference. Then your date of birth, entered in the 2-digit day, 2-digit month and 4-digit year format, including the forward slashes. And finally, the postcode of the property which your mortgage relates to, which could be different to the postcode on the statements and letters we send you about your mortgage. On the next page, you'll need to check the details of your mortgaged property. Please make sure these are correct before you go any further, and contact us if there's an error. To continue, you'll also need to view the disclosure document, which will open in a new window. Please read this, and then download or save it for your records. Next, close the disclosure window to return to the previous screen, and you'll notice the Confirm button is now active. So click this to go to the next step. Now, you'll need to check that your correspondence address is up to date. Again, if you find a mistake, please get in touch using the number on screen and we'll make any amendments. Occasionally, properties with a name rather than a number may be formatted incorrectly. If this is the case, please reach out to us so we can correct the format to make sure your application runs smoothly. Next, you'll need to check that your contact details are correct. You'll also need to choose your preferred contact method from the drop-down menu. Your mobile number may already be shown using the 0044 format. If it is, please amend this to the standard 11-digit format so you can proceed. Next, you'll see the mortgage accounts that are eligible to switch. If you have multiple parts to your mortgage that are eligible to switch, complete the following steps for each sub-account that you'd like to switch. So click the Switch button for the account you wish to take a new product on. You'll be presented with your new product options on the next page. You're not able to amend the mortgage term as part of this digital switch application. So if you'd like to review your mortgage term, please contact us on 0800 056 1088 so we can explore this further with you. Now, it's time to browse and select your new mortgage from the available product range. The products shown are determined by your loan-to-value amount. This is your mortgage loan amount, shown here as a percentage of your estimated property value. You can use the Filter and Sort By options to narrow down the available products and help you choose which best suits your needs. You can also click Show More Details to see more about a particular product, such as any early repayment charges which might apply. Once you've found the right product for you, just click to select it. You'll then return to the account summary screen to review your changes. Please make sure that you repeat the previous steps for any additional sub-accounts that you'd also like to switch. If you change your mind about the product you've selected at this stage, no problem. You can select the Remove Product button and choose a different product by repeating the previous steps. Once you're happy, review your selection, and if you're ready to proceed, click the Confirm button. If you'd like to change your repayment plan from interest only to repayment or vice versa, please contact us on 0800 056 1088 so we can talk through your options. If you don't have an interest-only mortgage, you can now skip to the next chapter by clicking on the progress bar at the bottom of this video. If you have an interest-only mortgage, you'll need to choose the way you intend to repay it from the options in the drop-down menu. When keying in the interest-only amount satisfied figure, please make sure that the amount you type in matches the total interest-only commitment amount at the top of the screen. Of course, this is provided that your chosen repayment plan is enough to cover this amount. As demonstrated, there's no need to type in the comma or the pence. Once you've selected and keyed in your repayment plan or plans, click the Add button and they'll be added as shown. If you need to change or amend the details you have inputted, you can remove any repayment plans you've added by clicking the Remove button. If you need to add multiple repayment plans, please check that their individual amounts add up to the total interest-only commitment amount at the top of the screen. Again, you don't need to input the commas and pence. Once you're happy with your repayment plans and amounts and have read the important information, you can then click Confirm and proceed to reviewing your switch and selecting the start date for your new product. If you've chosen a product with a fee, you'll have the option to add it to the loan or pay the fee upfront using a debit or credit card. If you choose to pay your fee upfront, you'll be asked to make this payment online at the end of the switch application process. Please also take the time to read and understand the application declaration. This will open in a new window where you should save the document for your records. Please close the window once you're ready to proceed. You will then return to the Confirm Your Switch screen, and once you've chosen your product start date, fee payment option if applicable, and read the application declaration, you'll be able to click the Confirm button. You'll now be able to review your mortgage offer and illustration. Should you have any issues with the mortgage offer and illustration page loading, please get in touch so we can help you with this. When reviewing your mortgage offer and illustration, please take the time to read the document slowly to fully understand it, and also make sure you read it right to the end. Otherwise, the Complete button will not activate for you to finalize your switch. If you're completing your application on a mobile device, you may need to turn it to landscape to access the Complete button. You'll have the option to download and print the document, but we'll also send you a copy in the post when you complete your application. And if you have any questions, please do contact us. Once you've reviewed your mortgage offer and illustration, clicked Complete, and paid any applicable product fees using your credit or debit card, you'll see the Online Application Complete message. And that's it. We can now process your application. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing TSB.